Hi there. Let's continue with modals, okay? So today I would like to tackle should. Okay, we use should to give advice or to ask for advice, also to give an opinion or a recommendation, okay? Examples. So you could tell me, Bridget, you should dye your hair, or you should have your hair dyed. You look tired. You should go away for a few days. You should apologize for what you said last night. Do you think I should apply for that job? You should self-quarantine if you've been exposed to COVID-19. You should consider getting tested if you're having any of the following symptoms: fever or chills, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, new loss of taste or smell, muscle or body aches, fatigue, headache, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, or diarrhea. You shouldn't go to bed so late. You should stop smoking. You should stop worrying. You shouldn't eat so much. You should go on a diet. He should resign now. You don't seem happy in your job. You should look for another job. You're running a temperature. You should call in sick. You shouldn't drink and drive. I should wash the windows. You can't see. You should see my new socks. They're fantastic. I know. I should seek counseling. You all should buy this grammar book. It is absolutely brilliant. You should ask a lawyer. Some people should consider plastic surgery. That one is for you, Patrick. Is a good friend of mine. We also use should when something is not right. Examples: oh, that price isn't correct. It should be $5 and not $5.50. I wonder where Johnny is. He should be here by now. Look, there goes Stefan. He shouldn't be riding his bike. He's supposed to be in the office at this time of day. We can also use should when we expect something to happen. Examples: Jack should pass his exam. He's been studying very hard. We should arrive before dark. The roads should be less crowded today. It's Sunday. There are plenty of hotels in Paris. You should find a room easily. We should all be vaccinated by the end of June or July. Herd immunity should be achieved by September. You can also use should to refer to a possible event or situation. Examples: if you should change your mind, do let me know. In case you should need any help, here's my number. Should anyone call, or if anyone calls. Please tell them I'm busy. Now, should is often used with I think, I don't think, do you think? Example, they're always fighting. I don't think they should get married. Should is also often used after certain verbs like suggest, insist, recommend, demand. Examples. What do you suggest I should do? She suggested that I should break up with him. He demanded that we should pay for the damage. She insisted that she should pay for the meal. She insisted that I should take the money, so I took it. They had been drinking, so we insisted that they should spend the night at our place. He insisted that I should take a taxi. They insisted that I should wait for them. The landlord insisted that I should pay in cash. I insisted that he should stop phoning me. She recommended that I should take some time off. Now, in these examples, you can skip should. So you can say, what do you suggest I should do? Or, what do you suggest I do? We also use should after various adjectives, such as funny, interesting, natural, odd, strange, surprised, surprising, typical, etc. Examples. It's funny that you should say that. I was thinking exactly the same thing. It's interesting that they should offer him the job. Not an obvious choice. It's natural that you should be anxious. Nobody likes speaking in public. It's strange that you should think so. I was surprised that he should say such a thing. We can also use should in if clauses when we believe the possibility of something happening is small. Examples. If you should happen to see him before I do, can you tell him that I want to speak to him? If there should be a problem, just give me a call and I'll sort it out. If anyone should ask where I am, say I'm in a meeting. Let's now use should in the past. J'aurais dû in French, okay? So here you will need should plus have plus your third column past participle. So example, I should have known, I should have been there, I should have told you. You should have told him at once. A present for me? Oh, you shouldn't have. Thanks anyway. I should have booked the tickets in advance. I shouldn't have told anyone. Should I have invited Paul? You shouldn't have lied to him. He shouldn't have cheated on her. You shouldn't have done that. I should have known better. I shouldn't have let him go. You shouldn't have kissed him. You've got herpes now. Ugh. Oh, that stupid bee just stung me. Well, you should have left it alone. If you had left it alone, it wouldn't have stung you. It was a great party. You should have come.
Oh my God, I should have been more careful. I should have paid more attention when I bought these shoes. Damn, I shouldn't have bought this clock. It's driving me nuts. Bonsoir tout le monde. I should have been a news presenter. Well, that's it for today, guys. Cheers.